Hi, my name is Gretchen Hahn, and I'm a recruiting specialist in the Graduate College of Engineering.
Hi, this is Stefano Basagni. I'm a professor in the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department at Northeastern.
And this is the Faculty 5. Tell us a little bit about your research.
My research has always been in the field of computer networking. My interest in computer network evolved most specifically into wireless networking. So the internet was originally mostly wired, computer and devices, and the whole infrastructure were made by big computers and a lot of cables. And then, of course, as everybody knows, today it has been extended greatly by cellular networking, which includes our smartphones and, of course, wireless links rather than tethered devices. I have done wireless underwater network that involves having devices communicating underwater using the technology that, of course, allows communication, which is acoustic. The sounds that the whales and the dolphins and other marine mammals use, we can also use, being careful, of course, not to bother them, but to communicate, like a Wi-Fi underwater that hasn't been really a thing yet, but that's what we are explaining and exploring right now. And then, of course, out of the water, the whole importance and efficiency and usage of Wi-Fi, and of course, right now is 5G and 6G technologies, all the evolution of the 5G and 6G. So the bulk of my research is computer network with a specialization in all the facets that wireless network have. That has been my field for over 20 years now.
That's amazing. And no complaints from any whales so far?
Not directly to me. When it comes to do experiments, which we do, is the students that go out there. So we'll have to ask them if they have received any complaints by dolphins and other animals.
Great. And so with that research, how does that sort of relate to your program here at Northeastern University? Well,
in the case of underwater communication and networking, for instance, we realized that this is pretty niche, is not something like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The technology that we use every day are taught regularly. These are now mainstream in teaching, but not, underwater acoustics, because as I was mentioning, under the surface we can't use radio communication for technical reasons, and so we use what the animals use underwater, which is sounds. Many professors in the College of Engineering are experts in acoustics in general and underwater acoustics in particular, and we decided to create part of our program dedicated to this underwater networking. The acoustic communication has been around for decades now, but the networking part of it, trying to replicate the impact of Wi-Fi and even cellular communication underwater, is really still uncharted territory, and we are doing it with a certain importance, with a certain gravitas here at Northeastern.
I know something a little unique to your area in your program is that you're able to do a lot of this research at your institute. Can you talk a little bit about that and students' involvement in it?
Absolutely. Northeastern has posed to its faculty the opportunity of gathering together from many different fields of research in a more interdisciplinary way. And my research and also my educational pursuit and programs are within the Institute for the Wireless Internet of Things, which, as suggested by the name, focuses on bringing communication of any form, especially wireless, to anything. And within that program, especially my interest has been to create within the Institute educational program for our students. So we have two brand new masters that just started this past semester. One is explicitly on the Internet of Things, which is very interdisciplinary, and also another more technical master in wireless and network engineering. This is a field that is never ending. The workforce needs in this field are incredible. We are talking about millions of jobs in the next 5 to 10 years. So forming these people is also part of my interest, especially in forming the future workforce that can actually make great things in this field.
Thanks, Stefano.
Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity of talking about our programs and my research.